Let's discover our history. Black Code of Islands, France Islands and Bourbon. Colonial Empire, France, Réunion.
C'était... Moi, ce que j'aime bien, c'est qu'il t'explique.
Et Laura, c'est quoi ça?
Du café.
Good job! You're smart. Pour ceux qui... Oh no, English. For those who never saw... Ouh! Bien né. C'est bien né. Pour ceux qui n'ont jamais vu du café. For those who never saw coffee. This is what coffee looks like. And then they need to dry it and to roast it. Et Nora, c'est qui lui? Et c'est qui? Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait?
Ah, il a découvert la vanille. Il s'est plus intéressé à la vanille, du coup c'est comme ça que la vanille vient de la Réunion.
C'est presque ça, encore. Et c'est pas Ostan, c'est Albus. Il a découvert le processus de... C'est la vanille. Mais c'est pour faire quoi? Comment ça s'appelle? Pour faire des bébés vanille. Le processus de... Think fast. Ta maman elle a dit hein. Fécondation. Voilà, regarde. Fécondation artificielle.
Pourquoi Madame de Bassin, il y a une controverse. Elle dit qu'elle était gentille et parfois elle était très méchante. Il y a deux versions. Et je résume vite fait, quand elle est morte, quand elle est décédée, le jour de son enterrement dans l'église qui est là-bas dessus, le clocher a défoncé le toit,
C'est effondré.
s'est effondré sur
Le cercueil.
l'endroit où elle était installée. Mais je pense que vous aurez plus à même d'écouter un guide. Laurence, elle n'est pas encore très au point.
Go. Wow. I can feel it. C'est le cœur qui bat vite. My heart is racing. Ooh. So basically, I hope we're gonna have a guide, but this is where our ancestors used to be slaves. This used to be a big house from white people, you know, colonizer. I don't know how that's the word, but this is where, or we have a big, I cannot even find my word. I think this is one of a kind place in Réunion where we can literally feel our history and living our history from the place. And I think it's really deep in energy and emotion. Let's make a turn and see around. Wow, I can't believe we have this much big of history, you know, like my ancestors were slaves, so they were living in this kind of mansion. But I hope we will find a guide. Let's try to find one. French, Creole. Soma pour l'accueil et la vente tiki. This way. Bonjour. Vous avez encore des guides? Oui, 11h30.
Et la chapelle pointue, ça fait librement.
Ok. Donc là, c'est... Et c'est à combien?
2 € par personne.
Avec la visite guidée?
Oui, c'est
Ok.
la visibilité payante.
Super. Bon, bah, on va vous prendre... Pour les jeunes aussi?
Non, c'est gratuit pour les visites.
Ok. Bah, il y en a 2 alors, si vous voulez. We're going to the hospital. Et Laura, c'est ton histoire, ça? We're not going here, but look at the way. Garden. This is huge. I really want to bring you with us. Slave Hospital. So right now we're on a free tour and then we're gonna have the guide. I love the fact that they put Creole there's a lot of places in Réunion where you don't have the Creole language. Oh. Because since we're a French island, people tend to make us lose our culture. But the real thing is that more the time goes and more people use Creole, honestly. So December 20 is the date where the slave went free. So this is a list of the slaves that were living here. Let's see if we found some of our grandparents. Seems like you were. I want to do this to know where my family comes from. Bah, j'ai pas mis de anti-moustique, moi. Loïs. This is huge. Whoa! Trevor! Look at this, guys. Tati, viens voir. Whoa. This is amazing. Check du pied. What was that? I love this. This is a piece of art. Oh my god. The hand, the head, and the feet. So you will see December 20 everywhere because this is the most celebrated day of the year in Réunion, which I think I already said it, is the end of the slavery time. So all the slaves went free. This is I love it. Like, the atmosphere is really tense, honestly, but this is my story. This is my people. And this yard is huge. Ça va la vie?
Yes.
Flower, flower. When I was 12, I came here with my vacation camp and there were no wind and one of the windows opened by itself. So it's like, I don't know if there's spirit here, but like I said, the energy is really strong. And I think I remember when I was younger that I came here and I felt it too. Right now, I feel like I have trouble to breathe. And, you know, it's just like, kind of scared to go there. What is here? It have the same smell as the... honestly, I'm not scared of a lot of things. But right now, I'm not calm either. I know nothing will jump on me, but... Wow. My name is February. Des identités enracinées dans l'esclavage. Bah, tes cheveux frisés, là. Hein? Tes cheveux frisés. It's the first time that I come here. You know, the fact that people were living here and I love this. Oh my god. This is what I need to explain how Réunion Island work. We're not looking at this. Okay, so